What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing some brackets and belts, thermostat housing, stuff that's necessary to get this thing back into the solar yellow SRT. I'm waiting on some hoses from Mono Performance, and after that I'll be installing the intake and the exhaust manifold with my Stage 3 turbo. We're getting closer to getting this thing back in the car, hopefully get this thing running pretty soon. So let's get into it. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Put brand new gaskets around on the whole entire motor, rebuilt Stage 3 turbo from Tyler, brand new O2 housing from SRT-4 gear, brand new belts, the whole nine. There's I think maybe one bracket left and the clutch that I need to install on this motor before I drop it in. So stay tuned. That'll be in the next video. Hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.